Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
See, this motorcycle's gonna go by, and then I'm gonna go down. So there's Tercena and Teatro. They got more like fruit everywhere. There's just a lot of fruit. So all these are like fruit stores. Loja de fruta. Okay, so this one we're going to be going down Teatro, which is this little street all the way down, and you can see Softail Hotel all the way down as well. And just to give you some context, this is Tercena Street, this is our Target Street, Teatro, and we're going to be going all the way down the street towards that Pont 16. We'll see how far our Teatro actually goes. It will capture all the little stuff here that we see, like these little businesses and such as well. So stay tuned for Teatro. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so Teatro. Let me give a little context of everything. Actually, there's this little patio right here that has all this artwork. There's another entrance, but it's on the other side of that. I would love to go down that one, but that would be another video. But if you do want to see that, it's a nice video. But anyways, we're going to be going down Teatro today. So we are going to, that's Tercena. And then our Target Street's going to be down that way. So let me just kind of capture what else is around here. These little shops as well. And that kind of cool looking yellow building. So let me just see, this motorcycle's going to go by, and then I'm going to go down. So there's Tercena and Teatro. And Teatro is going to be this one with the yellow. So we are going to follow that one down. I will just see what all we can see down this way. So let's see what we can see. There's shops. Reading. Huh. It's in English. Okay. So it looks like this street is going to be filled with a lot of shops. So I think that they're. Oh, this one looks like a temple. And this temple has a. Let's see. There's a guard right there, so I don't want to go in, but okay, so I'm just going to highlight too, there's all these little, I think they're doing like kind of import-export stairwells and such in here, so it's kind of a big labyrinth of cool stuff. So I think this is going to be marked, some tall apartments up there as well, so this is going to be marked by some, it's like a wholesale import-export fruit and such. So it looks like they store fruit in this area. Huh. So it's like a whole street devoted to, but the name of it is Teatro, which is like theater. So it feels more like, 69 Lab, I wonder what that is. They got more like fruit everywhere. We got a little alley in here. That's Ostra. Ostra is a pretty cool street. But I'm going to stay on Teatro. Teatro. It's kind of interesting. They also have all these like rain guard stuff all the way down. Oh, I see. Because these rain guards here, all the water would fall right into the middle. So yeah, for some reason there's just a lot of fruit. So all these are like fruit stores. Loja de fruta. So if you want fresh fruit, come to Teatro Street. So we're still on our Rua do Teatro. And I think we're gonna come to a spot where it's gonna change into like several other streets. So we're just gonna see what's all here. I think this is Cinco de Octubre, most likely. So I think that's all Teatro right there. We'll find the street sign, and then this one I think changes into another street. No, it continues. It's still Teatro. So we're going to continue going down here in a moment. We just kind of capture. Kind of a cool street though. Okay. So Teatro does continue, and we're going to continue with it. Including okay. So we are still in Teatro. Strangely enough. So I think Teatro used to be theater historically with Portuguese, right? And then somehow it turned into kind of small fruit stores. Don't know how that transition was made. And I think this is going to be the end of Teatro here. So there's still Teatro. And yeah, this next street turns into a different street altogether. So this is actually called Rua do Bispo Enes. So you can see that. And then we got a totally different feeling of everything in the space. So that was all Teatro right there. Let's give you a little context. There's some other cool stuff in different directions. Pont 16, it's all the way down that way. But I think Teatro was this focus right here. I guess we'll end it right there. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.
Toma cuidado la voz minha.